Hello students, write the correct product of given following question. Write the correct products of the given following question. So, now here aqueous KOH, this reaction will undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Here this chlorine getting negative charge, this chlorine having negative charge, this carbon getting positive charge. Here bond cleavage, this chlorine getting negative charge, chlorine is electron withdrawing. So, that is why this bond cleavage, this chlorine getting negative charge and carbon getting positive charge. So, here and K plus plus and OH minus. So, generally we are thinking what is the product here, CH2OH, CH2OH, or another product is we can write CH3OH. It is primary alcohol, it is a tertiary alcohol. Generally expected product these two only, but these two products are not correct. These both products are wrong. So, these both products are wrong, but what is the correct product here? So, now here I will explain, that is the ring expansion product is the correct product. So, here what happened here, this compound CH2Cl, in first of here bond cleavage here, this carbon getting positive and plus Cl minus going outside. So, it is the, this is intermediate compound. Now, what happened here in this compound here, in first of is ring expansion, bond cleavage, I gave numbering, I will give numbering from here. This is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth carbon. That is understand, I am giving numbering for understanding purpose only, understanding purpose only. So, here bond cleavage in between, say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, bond cleavage in between second carbon and fifth carbon, and bond cleavage in between second carbon and fifth carbon, bond cleavage in between second and fifth carbon. So, here what happened here, this bond shifting towards this single bond having two electrons, this two electron completely transfer only one side, that is complete transfer towards only fifth carbon side. So, what is the product here, this fifth carbon getting negative charge, this second carbon getting positive charge, this already one old positive charge is there, student. So, once again I am giving numbering, this first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth carbon. So, now here next step, now what to do here, this first carbon having positive charge and fifth carbon as having negative charge, these both are combining, first and fifth carbon both are combining to form a new bond. It will make a new bond will form like this. His first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon and fifth carbon. This already second carbon having already positive charge. This is the cyclopentyl carbocation. This is called the cyclopentyl carbocation. This cyclopentyl carbocation we can write here like this. This is cyclopentyl carbocation like this. This first second carbocation is, second carbon is positive charge. So, that is why I am putting here second carbon is positive charge. Then after that this OH minus, this OH minus will attack this position. So, here what is the final product here? This final product is cyclopentanol. This is the cyclopentanol. This is the final product is cyclopentanol. So, here in this compound, in this reaction, three product will be formed. That is three product will be formed. I gave what is the first product, that is this one. This is the first product, CH2OH. This is the first product. And what about second product? Second product also this one. This is also possible, CH3OH. What about third product? Plus first product, this is second product. What about third product, that is cyclopentanol? This is cyclopentanol. Out of these two, which one is more stable? Which one is more stable? These all are three structures are possible, but here this is primary alcohol, here in this compound tertiary alcohol is present, but in this compound here secondary alcohol, but it is cyclopentanol. So, it is the 5-membered ring. It is 5-membered ring. These both are the 4-membered ring. So, I gave order. What is the order? Stability order here, 6-membered ring. 6-membered ring is more stable than 7-membered ring. 7-membered ring is more stable than 5-membered ring. 5-membered ring is more stable than 4-membered ring. 4-membered ring is more stable than 3-membered ring. This is the stability order, student. So I gave stability order, that is 6-membered ring is more stable than 7-membered ring. Once again here, 6-membered ring more stable than 7-membered ring. 7-membered ring. 7-membered ring is more stable than 5. 5-membered ring is more stable than 4. 4-membered is greater than 3. So here, out of these three, the third compound is the 5-membered ring. So that's why it is the first priority goes to this one only. So this product only major product, student. This is the simple trick for ring expansion example, student. If you like my video, please like, share and comment.